Let us draw a number line. A number line extends from negative infinity to positive infinity. On the number line, positive numbers are on the right side of 0. First we will see what are natural numbers. Numbers that can be counted are called natural numbers. They start from 1 and continue till infinity. When you include 0, this set is called whole numbers. Now, let us go to the left of 0 on the number line. The numbers here are negative numbers, represented by the minus sign. This entire set of positive and negative numbers, including 0, are called integers. Now we have a question. Are there any numbers between two whole numbers? The answer is yes. These are fractions. We can have any number of fractions between any two numbers. We now come across a term called rational numbers. Rational numbers can be either positive or negative. Rational numbers are in the form P over Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Are whole numbers rational numbers? Whole number 5 can be written as 5 over 1. What about a negative number? Both positive and negative numbers are rational numbers. We have seen what are rational numbers. Any integer can be expressed as a fraction in the form of P over Q. Rational numbers can be terminating or non-terminating recurring. We also have irrational numbers. They are non-terminating and non-recurring. .1, .5, .15 are some numbers that terminate after 1 or 2 digits. When the same numbers or a group of numbers repeat continuously, they are recurring and non-terminating. Irrational numbers have a long list of decimal numbers that does not have any pattern. Rational numbers can be written in the form of fractions, P over Q. Irrational numbers have no repeating digits after the decimal place. √2, √3, roots of other numbers, pi, are some examples. Now, let us summarize all the different types of numbers we have learnt till now. Remember that irrational numbers are non-integers. Rational and irrational numbers are part of real numbers. When we say real numbers, does that mean unreal numbers are also present? Yes. We call them imaginary numbers. Imaginary number is square root of -1. Since it does not exist, it is considered imaginary. This is the representation of the number system. Hope you found this video useful.